how you can remove the time from your lock screen on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let us start. First, just go to your settings. Now, after you're on your settings, just scroll down till you find the wallpaper option. Now, after you go to the wallpaper option, there you will get the option to customize it. Tap on customize. Now you can see now you can just select the option of your time, and from there what you can do is there is no option to remove it. So what you're going to do is just go to your colors and match it with your wallpaper. Now as you can see right there, the time cannot be seen, and now if when you're on your lock screen, you won't be able to see your time, as you can see right there in the preview, guys. And that is pretty much it. That is how you remove time from your lock screen on the iPhone, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.